second annual LEGO Fun Fair. It is a collaboration between the Special Education Unit and the Esports Unit. Students come into the arena and build different LEGO projects, and they also get a chance to do esports. This event came about with our partnership with esports, and we wanted to make it an inclusive event for our students across our entire county, supporting the superintendent's initiative for equity and inclusive practices.
I'm building this, and I'm building this, and now this is decided to follow instructions.
And push it down, and there's a ramp.
So our students and mentors come from all over Riverside County, and it's a day for them to learn about each other and create through the LEGO process of the esports games.
I think that's a great idea for other students from different schools to get to know each other.
I was referred by my teacher, Mr. Kalantar. He recommended it for me. He said he thinks I would be a good fit as a mentor.
I think it creates a sense of unity, and I think that's valuable with the world we are in today.
Last year I thought it was really fun, honestly, because I got to meet a lot of people, so I was like, oh, I might as well just do it this year for more community service hours, and because it was a good experience overall.
So for this event, we have Santa Claus Inc. to thank for the LEGO donations. The table LEGO sets were donated by the Riverside County SELPA.
And I have Stranger Things, and I remember that movie.
I think it's very, very, very important because I think a lot of people underestimate their own creativity and their abilities, but I think it's really important because it shows that they're just like us.